Hello and welcome to another edition of Stockwatch on this Tuesday the 5th of January. So as we kick off the trading year and the trading week, we hear that more than 200 workers at Google's parent Alphabet have taken steps to form a labor union, which is a big development for the American tech giant. The organization will give staff greater power to voice concerns about discriminatory work practices as the firm handles health issues and repeats law enforcement. So the move follows walkouts and other actions by staff over the years, and obviously you can see on the internet and on TV programs that how Google and big tech Silicon Valley organizations try to treat their employees in the best care, giving them, sleeping hubs, pool tables, the list goes on and on and on. So this is a step in the right direction for their employees, but you have to wonder why the employees have taken steps to create this trade union. A spokesperson has said that they've been really supportive and rewarding workplaces for their workforces. And of course, their employees have protected labour rights that they support as well. They'll always have, as they have done, to continue to engage directly with all their employees. So the announcement of the Alphabet Workers Union comes week after Google's firing of a high-profile artificial intelligence and ethics researcher. That this generated uproar, especially as the US Labour Relations Board also recently ruled the firm had lawfully fired its employees for attempting to organise this union. So it seems kind of like a breakthrough in the process, and we can see how many. It'll be interesting to see how many other big tech firms will follow suit if they can manage to create unions for themselves. And also Amazon has been in the headlines as they look at the prospect of moving their Amazon Pharmacy business into the UK. Amazon Pharmacy, as we all know, launched in November. And even though they have not clearly stated their intentions to move to other countries, UK pharmacy chains are closely monitoring the developments as, there's been companies like Walgreens and CVS seeing their share prices fall in America because Amazon are creating such a bigger, let's say, easier way of having pharmaceutical products delivered to people's doorsteps in a more timely fashion. Amazon pride themselves on speedy delivery, great customer service. So this is something that a lot of countries will have to watch out for, especially as we go into 2021 when Amazon really starts pulling out the punches. So just a quick look on Amazon first of all at the moment. I just had a look at the recent developments into the back end of Q4, and we can see in the last time I looked at it, I was looking at these recent peaks. And again, I'll be looking at them again just to see what the potentials are going into 2021. We can see at the moment it's on a little bit of a downturn. We're touching the Ichimoku cloud as well. This is a very good psychological support level. If it breaks through this level here, I expect prices to start moving slowly downwards. This is a daily chart, don't forget. So there is a lot of time and a lot of room before we get to these recent lows, roughly down to, below the 3,000 mark, but going ever lower as well. So this is something to look out for in the next few trading sessions. And just a quick look on Google as well. So Google in the focus. The last time I looked at these a couple of weeks ago, I was seeing these recent peaks and I was wondering if it was going to start pushing higher. This was the last recent peak that I looked at before prices started dipping further downwards. Again, on a daily chart now, you can see this dip into the Ichimoku cloud as well, which had a little bit of support, but it'd be very interesting to see if it's going to keep falling down, and this will be my next support level if it can be reached. If it is reached, then I'll be looking to see if it's going to start pushing down further. This recent divergence that I've spotted as well could bring prices even lower. But as I said, if it does touch this level, I'll be probably putting a sell stop in because I'll be expecting cloud engulfment and then prices to start dropping down a little bit further. So just some things to look out for in the trading week. And that's all from the Stockwatch today. Thank you very much for joining me again. If you have any questions, as usual, please add them to the video and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Have a great trading day ahead and bye for now.